up, cutie? Aww, are you cold? Come on, you can stay there forever. Okay, it's a pretty rainy kind of day. So yeah, look at that beautiful birdie. Let's go here. Go outside. Back. Now stay here. Wander around somewhere. Come on, girl. Where you go? Come on. You're gonna go there. Come with me. I got to show you something. Okay, guys. Now, please like and subscribe. Yeah. Bye. So, I'm kind of so like and subscribe. So do that. And Monkey, do you want some treats? You want it? Okay, I will bring some. Monkey, we don't have treats. Bad news. We are going with this bird somewhere that's his favorite place. Hey Popo, I need you. So my parrot, you know my parrot. What's your parrot? My parrot's playing and I need you for my video. Oh, okay. Give me $1 billion. Okay, I'm gonna slap you right in the face. Okay, fine. Let's go. In the mountains. This is not a mountain for me. How can I get down? It's only one way. Just jump. Never. Fine, I'm gonna do it. Jump! So my parrot is having a lot of fun. Bruh. And Popo just hurted himself. I'm okay. He's not really okay. So premiers, these are my flowers. Is it really nice to see a flower in the sweet little day? But it's still raining. Oh, sun is coming. Great. And look at those. Look at those. There's only one flower. There's only one flower there, bro. What a nice one. Yeah. I like the white one much more. What happened? Why is the pink color is gone? No, this is bad. Real bad. So this is the place we got water. Oh no. Yeah, you might need a bath. Okay, fine, never mind. So right here is a place. It's kind of boring day. Nothing to do. Hey, let's go to this place. What is this place gonna do? Alright, it's all trash. It's all trash in here. And a big tree. Oh wow. Let's go inside. Like and subscribe. And turn post notifications on. And see you guys later. Wanna play Fortnite? Fortnite is updating. Dumb. Okay, let's go this way. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye.